Oh no! Look at Leo. He trips on a toy car. The room is so messy. Can Mia, Leo, and Ben clean it up?
Here are our friends, Mia, Leo, and Ben. Wow, look at all the toys. Toys are here, there, and everywhere.
Leo says, "Vroom, vroom. My car is the fastest. It's going to win the race." Look at my tower. It's a castle. Be careful, Leo. Don't crash into my castle. Ben says, "My dolls are having a tea party. Would you like some tea, Mr. Bear? It is very yummy." The room is very messy, but the friends are having too much fun playing together. This is the best day ever! After a long time of playing, their tummies start to feel empty. Ben says, "I am hungry. I want a cookie." Mia agrees. A cookie sounds so yummy. Let's go to the kitchen. But wait, they cannot walk. The floor is covered in toys. Leo laughs. "I can do it. It's an adventure. Watch me." But then his foot lands on a little red car. Whoa! Leo waves his arms and tumbles down. He says, "Ouch, my knee." Mia rushes over. "Leo, are you okay?" "I am okay," says Leo. "But this floor is not okay. It's too messy." Mia looks around. "You are right, Leo. This room is a big, big mess." Ben looks at all the toys and feels sad. Cleaning is hard. It will take forever. Mia smiles. She has an idea. "Let's clean together. We can be a team. Teamwork makes it easy and fast." Leo's face lights up. "A team! The cleanup team! Good idea, Mia!" He jumps up, ready to help. Leo gets a big box. "I will put all the cars in the box. Vroom, vroom, into the box you go." Ben sees Leo having fun. "I will help too. I will put the blocks in this box. Click, clack." Now it is Mia's turn, and I will put the dolls on the shelf. It is time for them to go to bed. They all work together. Soon the floor is clear. The shelf is neat. The room is clean. Leo spins around. "Wow, look, the room is clean." Ben smiles. "It was fast because we worked together." Teamwork! High five, cleanup team. They all give each other high fives. "Now, let's go get those cookies." "Yay!" shout Leo and Ben.